Okay, hello and welcome back. So we have a package from Norway, Norseman Lockpicker. Thank you very much for sending me these 3 locks. We have an Evva Euro cylinder. We also have a Securit Euro cylinder and this quickset door lock. The quickset is apparently a challenge lock. You have keys in this bundle, but for now we will concentrate on one of these. Let's try the Evva with this very paracentric keyway. I've been messing around with it a bit, picked it a couple of times, but it's very nasty in terms of getting access to the pins. So I'll be using a 15,000 euro hook on this one. And new for 2015, we have a brand new orange vise. Check that out. So let's go. This Evva is a 5-pin and it contains security pins. For sure. My neighbor is playing really bad music. I wish I could play some music in the background though. However, YouTube usually mutes videos with music on, so sorry. And there we go. So let's gut it. Okay, let's see if I can stay in frame. Something like that. We have a spool. Another spool. The third one is also a spool. Very tall spools. Okay. And we have a standard pin. And the fifth one is a standard. And on the bottom we have standard, 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 and a standard. And on this one we also have a some sort of sidebar. Let's see. Yep. Have a sidebar on that one. However, without the key, it doesn't matter. Yeah. It's serrated, and there also is a pin right there. But since we don't have a key, that doesn't matter. So let's see. On this one we have 5 pins, 2 standards and 3 spools, and on the bottom we have 5 standards. So that's the Evva Euro cylinder. Thank you very much for sending me this, Norseman, and I'll post videos of the second and third lock as well. So until then, thank you for watching.